Hello, welcome back to Learn Economy. In this video, we are going to look into the economic growth concept and the economic development concept. We will be looking into the meaning of economic growth, the meaning of economic development, and also we'll be trying to look at the differences between the economic growth concept and the economic development concept. Having said so, let's get started. First of all, let's understand what economic growth is. We know that both economic growth as well as economic development are some sort of related concepts, but it is very important to know that these two things are different, entirely different. Though related, these are different. Okay. So coming to the meaning of economic growth, we could see that this is something with respect to increase in the monetary value of the goods and services produced in an economy during a particular year or something. The basic example here, or the perfect example here, is GDP, GNV, etc. So it is actually a kind of quantitative measure which would be reflecting the potential increase in the number of business transactions which would be taking place in the economy. You can see that with this economic growth concept could be measured in terms of the increase in the aggregate market value of the additional goods as well as services which are produced using economic concept like GDP, GNP, etc. Compared to economic development, this is considered to be a narrow concept. Okay, and having understood economic growth, the meaning of the same, let's understand what economic development is. Compared to economic growth, this is a broader concept, and this refers to the process by which overall health, well-being, academic level, etc. of the general population of the nation improves. So this deals with the improved production volume due to advancements in technology as well. This is a qualitative measure. Okay, this is a qualitative improvement in life of citizens in a country. You can consider a human development index as a perfect example to one of the indicators which would develop, which would measure economic development. So the overall development of a country, we know that it is based on many parameters like water quality, job opportunities, health facilities, standard of living, per capita income, quality of life. There are many aspects apart from GDP which would be influencing economic development, which would be influencing development aspects. So thus we can simply say that when economic growth simply concentrates on GDP aspect, economic development will consider growth plus structural factors into consideration. Okay. Having said so, let's understand the difference between economic growth and economic development based on several criteria. First of all, based on definition, as we have already told, when economic growth refers to increase in the monetary growth of a nation in a particular period, basically during an year, economic development refers to overall development in the quality of life of a nation, quality of life of people in a nation. And this would cover, economic development would cover economic growth plus structural changes. That is economic development. Coming to the span of concept, when economic growth is considered to be a narrower concept that would consider only the income aspect, economic development is a broader concept because it would cover economic growth plus other factors as well. Other factors in the sense, structural factors or structural aspects as well. Coming to the case of scope, how the scope of economic growth differ from that of economic development, we could see that economic growth is a unidimensional concept. It should be dealing with the income kind of income aspect only, whereas in the case of economic development, it's a multi-dimensional approach which would be considering income plus other factors which would influence the quality of a nation. Coming to the term, we could see that here also there exists a difference between economic growth and economic development. When economic growth is considered to be a short-term process, economic development is a long-term process. Coming to the measurement aspect, as we have already discussed, economic growth is quantitative as it may basically deals with GDP aspect, whereas in the case of economic development, it will take into consideration both quantitative as well as qualitative aspects. We could say that economic growth is something that is mainly deals with developed economies because developed economies they just want to focus on their growth. Growth in the sense that they just want to focus on the increase in GDP, whereas in the case of development, developing economies are the ones who are struggling with the development aspects. In the case of government support, we could see that in the case of economic growth, it is considered to be an automatic process which may or may not require intervention from the government. Okay, the government intervention is not necessary, or it is concerned. It doesn't stand as a necessary nor a sufficient condition for economic growth. But in the case of economic development, intervention from the government part is very much important, because government policies plays a very important role for helping a nation to go for economic development. Now, coming to the kind of changes expected, as we have already told, economic growth is something which is quantitative and economic development is something qualitative. So this case is reflected in the kind of changes expected as well. We could see that economic growth, in the case of economic growth, we could expect quantitative changes, whereas in the case of economic development, we can expect both qualitative as well as quantitative changes. So from this understanding, by understanding the differences between economic growth and economic development, you might have understood one thing, that even though both these concepts are similar, these are not the same. So that's all for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos, and please be a part of my Telegram group and Telegram channel to discuss your doubts. Thank you. I'll be providing the links of the Telegram channel as well as Telegram group in the description box. You can use the same, and you can be a part of Telegram channel or Telegram group, or both. Thank you.